Are you wondering which one works best for creating high-converting landing pages, lead pages, or Wix? If you're in the market for a tool to help you generate leads and build effective pages, you're in the right place. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have a solid answer on which platform is actually the right choice for your business, and I'll even throw in a game-changing alternative you may not have considered. Let's dive into the first thing, ease of use ***. Both LeadPages and Wix are marketed as easy-to-use platforms, but the reality is a little different. LeadPages is known for its simple, drag-and-drop functionality that lets you build landing pages quickly. However, it can feel a bit restrictive in terms of design flexibility. Wix, on the other hand, offers much more design freedom with its drag-and-drop editor, but this can make the interface feel overwhelming, especially for beginners. Next, let's talk about design and templates. LeadPages offers over 200 templates, which is more than enough for most landing pages, but you might feel that the designs can be a bit generic. Wix, however, gives you full control over every pixel of your page. This means if you're a designer or have specific vision for your landing page, Wix might give you the creative freedom you need. That said, for quick page building, LeadPages templates are a faster route, though not as customizable as Wix. Next thing, conversion tools LeadPages shines here with built-in conversion features like pop-ups, alert bars, and the testing to help you increase conversions. Wix does have similar features, but they're either a bit more hidden or come with extra costs in some cases. LeadPages' focus
Is entirely on optimizing your landing page for conversions, making it the stronger choice if lead generation is your priority. The fourth thing to consider is pricing. LeadPages starts at $39 per month, which isn't too bad, but it can get pretty expensive as you scale.
Wix, however, has a free plan, but it comes with limitations, and their paid plans start at $16 per month. While Wix is more affordable, you're paying for more general website building features, which may not be as targeted for landing page creation. Finally, let's talk about integrations. Both platforms offer integrations with email marketing tools, CRM systems, and other third-party apps. LeadPages has a solid list of integrations, but Wix lags behind slightly in this department, especially when it comes to some more niche marketing tools. So, which one is better for you? If you're specifically focused on creating high-converting landing pages with minimal hassle, LeadPages is likely your best bet. It's a tool that's made to maximize lead capture and streamline the process. However, if you need more design freedom and are okay with investing a bit more time, Wix could be a better fit. But hold up, before you make a decision, I want to introduce you to a competitor that's actually more powerful for this specific goal. Competitor name, ***. It offers amazing design flexibility, excellent conversion features, and a pricing structure that beats both LeadPages and Wix. And the best part? We have an exclusive, extended free trial for you, which you can only access through our link. You'll also get some bonus perks, so it's definitely worth checking out. And don't worry, I've also added some other great alternatives for landing page creation that have free trials too, so you can pick what works best for your goals. Check out the link in the description to grab your free trial and exclusive benefits.